Welcome to our channel, The Mythologist. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story.
The history of Dubai dates back to at least 3000 BCE, with evidence of human settlement discovered in the area. For centuries, Dubai was a small fishing and trading port on the Persian Gulf, with its economy centered around fishing, pearling, and trade with neighboring countries. In the early 19th century, Dubai became a part of the Trucial States, a group of sheikdoms that were later unified to form the United Arab Emirates, UAE, in 1971. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Dubai's economy shifted towards trading with India and Iran, as well as the export of pearls, which led to a significant increase in wealth and development in the city. In the 1930s, the discovery of oil in the region brought a new era of prosperity to Dubai, with revenues from oil exports helping to fund infrastructure development and modernization efforts. However, by the 1960s, Dubai's oil reserves began to decline, leading the city's rulers to diversify the economy and invest in other industries. In the 1970s and 1980s, Dubai's government began investing heavily in infrastructure and developing the city's tourism industry. Major landmarks, such as the Burj Al Arab Hotel and the Palm Jumeirah, were constructed, and the city became a popular destination for international tourists. Today, Dubai is a global business and tourism hub, attracting millions of visitors each year and playing an important role in the UAE's economy. The city's leaders continue to invest in infrastructure and diversify the economy, with a focus on technology, innovation, and sustainability. History. Dubai's history dates back over 4,000 years ago, with evidence of human settlements found in the area. In the early 18th century, Dubai became a center for pearl diving and fishing, which helped to fuel its growth and development. During the 19th century, Dubai came under the control of the British, who recognized the strategic importance of the port city. Dubai gained independence from Britain in 1971, and since then, it has grown rapidly, becoming a center for business and tourism in the Middle East. Culture. Dubai's culture is a blend of traditional Arab culture and modern Western influences. The majority of the population is Muslim, and Islam plays a significant role in the culture of Dubai. The traditional dress for men is a long white robe called a thobe, and for women, it is an abaya and shayla. Arabic is the official language, but English is widely spoken, especially in business settings. Dubai's culture is known for its hospitality and generosity, and visitors are often welcomed with open arms. The city is also known for its love of luxury, with high-end shopping malls, hotels, and restaurants. Traditional activities like camel racing and falconry are still popular, and traditional dance forms like the Al-Ayala and the Al-Razfa are performed during festivals and celebrations. Dubai is also home to several museums and cultural centers, such as the Dubai Museum, which showcases the history and culture of the city, and the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding, which aims to promote cultural exchange and understanding between different communities. Overall, Dubai's history and culture are an intriguing blend of tradition and modernity, and the city continues to evolve and grow while maintaining its unique identity. Geography. Dubai is a city located in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, on the southeast coast of the Persian Gulf. It is the largest city in the UAE and the capital of the Emirate of Dubai. Here are some key facts about the geography of Dubai. Dubai is located on the Arabian Peninsula, bordered by the Persian Gulf to the north and the Arabian Desert to the south and west. The city covers an area of 4,114 square kilometers, 1,588 square miles, with a population of approximately 3.3 million people. Dubai is known for its hot, arid climate, with temperatures reaching up to 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, in the summer months. The city's coastline extends for approximately 72 kilometers, 45 miles, along the Persian Gulf, and includes popular beaches like Jumeirah Beach and Dubai Marina. Dubai is home to several man-made islands, including the Palm Jumeirah, which is shaped like a palm tree and is one of the largest artificial islands in the world. The city is also known for its impressive skyline, which includes the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and other iconic structures like the Burj Al Arab and the Dubai Frame. The Dubai Creek, a saltwater inlet located in the center of the city, is an important part of Dubai's geography and history. It has been used as a trading port for centuries and continues to be a hub for commerce and tourism. Dubai is surrounded by desert, and visitors can explore the sand dunes on 4x4 drives, camel rides, or even sandboarding. Overall, Dubai's geography is characterized by its hot climate, coastline along the Persian Gulf, man-made islands, impressive skyline, and surrounding desert landscape.